Unboxing Mom Cozy V1 Pro, my first ever hospital grade breast pump. What I love about this one is that it has a large battery capacity that you can pump up to 270 minutes. It has a 15 suction levels, 3 cycle rates, and can pump up to 40 minutes. Unlike the other Mom Cozy pumps that I've tried na it's up to 30 minutes lang. So ito, mas matagal siya. Mas nadagdagan ng 10 minutes. It's handy and easy to clean. Magaan din siya. Hindi siya mabigat. I'm excited to try this one and I'll make a vlog sa una kong gamit nito. So I can show it sa inyo guys kung ano magiging outcome niya sa akin. If you guys have some questions, comment down below. And of course, don't forget, check out the yellow basket. Follow for more. Thank you for watching.